Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to block someone on Discord. To get started, open Discord app and search the user you want to block. Suppose I wanna block this user, so I'm gonna choose this particular user to block. Click on three dots and here you can see the option block. Click in the block option and the user will be successfully blocked. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.